Welcome to Gadget Geek Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of tomorrow with the best futuristic gadgets you didn't know existed. From game-changing tech to mind-blowing devices you'll wish you had sooner, we're uncovering the most innovative gadgets you need on your radar. And remember, all the product links are right down in the description, so you can explore and grab your favorites. Let's get started. Smartphone-controlled paper airplane kit. Transform your paper airplane into an incredible flying machine with the PowerUp 4.0 next-generation smartphone-controlled paper airplane kit. This isn't just a childhood throwback, it's a high-tech leap into the future of flight. Designed with cutting-edge technology, the PowerUp 4.0 offers unparalleled control and excitement. Featuring a powerful RC system, it allows you to pilot your paper aircraft right from your smartphone, making it easy to navigate and perform amazing aerial maneuvers. Equipped with an autopilot system and gyroscope stabilizer, the PowerUp 4.0 ensures smooth, stable flights even in windy conditions, so you can confidently take to the skies. Ideal for hobbyists, pilots, and creative tinkerers, this kit offers an immersive, STEM-friendly experience, perfect for learning and exploration. The modular design makes customization a breeze, allowing you to experiment with different builds and configurations. Whether you're new to the hobby or a seasoned flyer, this kit promises endless fun and innovation. Get ready to unleash the pilot within and redefine what a paper airplane can do. Mario Kart Live. Rev up your engines and bring the world of Mario Kart to life with Mario Kart Live, Home Circuit, Mario, Nintendo Switch. This innovative game merges the virtual and physical worlds, turning your living space into a thrilling racetrack filled with high-speed fun. Experience the magic as you race a real, remote-controlled kart equipped with an onboard camera that displays your surroundings on the Nintendo Switch, seamlessly blending reality with classic Mario Kart gameplay. Set up customizable gates and design unique courses through your home, zipping past furniture and looping through rooms. As you race, watch familiar obstacles, power-ups, and beloved characters come to life on your screen with stunning augmented reality effects. Compete in Grand Prix races against Bowser Jr. and the Koopalings, unlock fun costumes, and power up with fan-favorite items like mushrooms and shells. Perfect for fans and newcomers alike, Mario Kart Live, Home Circuit transforms any space into a vibrant racing adventure, combining hands-on creativity with Nintendo's timeless gameplay. Get ready to race in the real world like never before. Magnetic levitating light bulb. Elevate your space with the mesmerizing magnetic levitating light bulb with luxury wireless charging pad, an eye-catching blend of futuristic design and everyday utility. This sleek, black floating table lamp is more than just an illumination device, it's a statement piece that adds a touch of wonder to any setting. Perfect for bedrooms, offices, or as a standout gift, the levitating light bulb hovers gracefully above the charging base, using cutting-edge magnetic levitation technology that captivates and fascinates. The energy-efficient white LED bulb emits a soft, calming glow, ideal for setting a serene atmosphere or serving as a stylish night light. Below, the wireless charging pad is compatible with both Apple and Android devices, delivering fast, cable-free charging for your smartphone while showcasing modern elegance. This levitating lamp isn't just a conversation starter, it's a seamless blend of technology and artistry that redefines lighting. Perfect for tech enthusiasts, creative thinkers, or anyone looking to add a touch of magic to their desk or bedside. Get ready to be amazed. Single-handed tipsy tray. Simplify serving with a single-handed tipsy tray, the ultimate innovation for hassle-free carrying of food and drinks. Designed for effortless use, this 14 by 11-inch rectangular tray is perfect for anyone who wants an extra hand around the home, especially older individuals or those with limited mobility. With its unique, ergonomic single-hand grip, this tray ensures secure and balanced transport, reducing the risk of spills and accidents. Crafted to hold a variety of items, from plates and glasses to snacks and cups, the tipsy tray is lightweight yet durable, offering both comfort and confidence. Whether you're entertaining guests, bringing breakfast in bed, or simply moving items around the house, this tray redefines convenience and practicality. Perfect for use in homes, nursing facilities, or during gatherings, the single-handed tipsy tray brings independence and ease to daily activities. It's a thoughtful gift idea for loved ones who could use a hand, combining safety and smart design in a simple yet highly effective way. Mars Pro Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Get ready to elevate your audio experience with the Gravastar Mars Pro Portable Bluetooth Speaker new version. Designed for those who crave high-quality sound and bold aesthetics, this speaker offers powerful deep bass and loud stereo sound that fills any space with crystal-clear audio. Whether you're at home, camping, or throwing a party, the Mars Pro delivers immersive sound that enhances every beat. Enjoy up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge, making it the perfect companion for long outdoor adventures or extended listening sessions. The speaker features 6 customizable RGB lights that pulse and change to the rhythm of your music, creating a dynamic atmosphere tailored to any occasion. With dual pairing capability, connect 2 Mars Pro speakers for a surround sound experience that brings your music to life. Sleek, durable, and visually striking, the Gravastar Mars Pro is a standout gift for tech enthusiasts, music lovers, and anyone who appreciates cutting-edge design and sound. Transform every moment with a speaker that's as bold as your playlist. That's it for today's journey through the most incredible futuristic gadgets out there. Which of these amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget Geek Reviews for more exciting content. And as always, you can find links to all the featured products in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.